Welcome students. In this lecture, I'll teach you how you go about and find products that you find on Amazon and then you resell the same exact products and drop ship them on eBay. This is a small process that I actually go into a lot more advanced in some of my other classes, but here I'm gonna show you the basics, how you can attempt to do this without needing to take a huge class and uh, make it a lot more complicated. This is the simplest method for you to do this. Although it's not telling you the whole exact process because it's a lot more complicated than this. We are gonna actually show you how you can do this for a few auctions only, because otherwise you probably will get banned from Amazon if you do this for many auctions. So the first thing you want to do, and it's very simple, is you go on Amazon and you type in the following: top 100 products on Amazon. After you type this in, what's going to happen is that you're going to come up with almost every single item on Amazon itself that is a top rated item that is selling on Amazon. In fact, Amazon makes it so much easier for you that it shows you which is the #1 bestseller in every one of its categories. And some other things are bestsellers, but it doesn't say it. But that's okay, because we already know it is a bestseller because we already typed it in the search engine. So every one of those items is basically on a top rated list of things that are selling on eBay. Now, the next thing you actually want to do is to take some of those items, and in fact, as you can see, this even has the product number right under it, and it's even more easy. You can just copy and paste the product number, put it in an eBay listing, and you will find out if this particular item is also selling on eBay itself and for how much. And the difference in price between the amount of money it is listed on Amazon and the amount of money it is selling on eBay is the extra cash that you're gonna pocket yourself and make every single time you do this process. So here's how you exactly do this. First off, find any product. You're gonna copy the product description, and then you're gonna go into eBay itself and find the same exact product. So I actually did this, not with this product. We're gonna go and show you which product I actually did. I went and found this particular product that I actually liked it. The reason I liked it is, first of all, it says #1 bestseller. And second of all, it looked like a simple, interesting product. So I wanted to search and see how much this specific product is selling on eBay itself. And I found it. And I found it is only $1 more expensive on eBay. So the profit margin here is not enough for you to attempt to sell this particular item. But there is another thing you can actually do here. Although this doesn't involve the dropshipping, that component that I talked about, you can always do the extra thing that I actually come up with, is to go to Alibaba, and I actually even have a course about Alibaba too that will actually simplify it for you. But to make it short, what you want to do is we already have and know that this product is very good. People need to find out how much tire pressure you have, and a bunch of it already sold on eBay itself, which means that it has been tested. Now, does it matter what company makes it? Not really, because if somebody needs something to test their tire pressure, they're looking for the cheapest item they can actually find, and $9 seems to be the sweet spot. So if you can find a similar product that does the same exact function and you find it for around $5, you're definitely going to pocket around $5 for every single sale. So that's where you go to Alibaba.com. And over here, all we are looking for is the cheapest possible products that are doing the same exact function. But at the same time, you want to make sure the product itself is good enough that if somebody actually buys it, it's not going to break. After a careful search of Aliexpress, I was able to find the same identical product that is selling on eBay and Amazon, and it is the bestseller for a little less than the cost over there. So I'm actually winning a few extra bucks if I do buy it from this site, but that's not enough for me. 750 versus the $9 is only $2 profit here. What I want is something that gives me at least $5. So I looked a little bit more on the website itself, and I found the same identical product, that's right, the same exact one, that is selling for $6.72 a piece. So now what you see is you can actually buy this specific product. You can pay $6.72 for it and try to sell it for around $10.98 on eBay itself. And the difference in price between them is the extra profit that you're going to have. Now keep in mind that with Aliexpress, it's going to take you quite some time for this product to get to its destination. So you have to ship this product directly to you. And then you're going to take the product, you're going to take pictures of it, you're going to list it up on eBay itself. And after you do this, if somebody buys it, you're going to resell it and pocket this small amount of difference. Now, the big key for you to make a lot of money with this process is, first off, you can do this with individual listings on eBay. Second of all, you can just buy a bunch of those products. You can ship them directly to Amazon FBA, and then Amazon FBA is going to sell it for you, so you don't have to manage the inventory and the shipping. So with the volume that you're actually going to buy, you're definitely going to make at least $2 to $3 per piece that you'll be selling online. This is just an example of a product you can do. But what I really suggest for you is to try to find a little bit higher product margin. This was an example, and if you want to make a lot more money, you want to make at least 100% on the amount of money that you get per product. So for example, if you find the same exact product for $5 and you can sell it for 10, that's enough profit margin for you. And this one is cutting it pretty close to the amount of cash that you can make. So it makes it a little bit more tricky for you to make money on your investment here.